Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. This is Niacinamide YouTube channel where I talk about skincare products and tips, beauty products, etc. If you're new in this channel, you're welcome. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification button for you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are the best. So guys, in today's video, I'll be talking about one best ingredient for glowing even tone skin, niacinamide. Yes, so if you're struggling with dull skin, uneven skin tone, dark spots on your skin, blemishes, this video is for you. Keep watching because I'll be reviewing the best niacinamide serum you can use. So the first serum I'm going to recommend here is Good Miracles niacinamide serum. This is the serum. This serum helps to reduce pores on your face. Yes, it also helps to smoothen your skin. Yes, so if you're having pores on your face, this serum is the best. So this serum contains 10% of niacinamide, which helps to reduce pores on your face and smoothen your skin. So that is the essence of this particular serum. So the second serum I'm going to recommend here is serum. This serum contains 10% of niacinamide and triexamine, which helps to target stubborn dark. This serum here is best for stubborn dark spots. So if you're battling with stubborn dark spots on your face, believe me, this serum will work for you. This serum helps to clear stubborn dark spots in not less than 7 days. So the third on my list is the ordinary serum. The ordinary serum contains niacinamide, 10% of niacinamide, also contains zinc, which helps to clear blemish. It also helps to brighten your face. So if you're having a dull face, this serum is the best. The ordinary serum helps to brighten your face. It helps to clear blemishes on your face. So the next serum I'm going to recommend here is the Fix Fat. We all know this product. This product is budget friendly and affordable in the market. Yes, so this serum here is lightweight. First, it glows the skin, clears dark spots, unify your complexion. So it is lightweight, beginner friendly and affordable in the market. So if you're looking for serum to use, you know what to use on your face, this niacinamide is the best. Yes, it just brightens your skin. It is lightweight. It gradually brightens your skin, gradually fade away dark spots. Yes. So guys, the last product I'm going to recommend in this video is Balance Active Formula. This serum here helps to clear blemishes. If you're having stubborn blemishes, like you have used so many products and you don't know what to use, you have tried a lot of serum and still yet your face is still stubborn like that, you get this particular serum. This particular serum helps to target blemishes on your face. Yes, it fights against blemishes on your face. It contains 15% of niacinamide. Yeah, so if you have tried so many products, you can as well try this one. This one will work for you. If you use this one, and it didn't work for you, get this particular one. This one helps to fight against blemishes and acne on your face because it contains 15% of niacinamide. So it clears blemishes, stubborn dark spots on your face. So that is the essence of getting this Balance Active Formula, which helps to clear your face. If you're also having hyperpigmentation on your face, it also helps to clear hyperpigmentations on your face. Yes. So how can you use this serum to get a maximum result? One, after cleansing your face, whether you are washing your face, after washing your face, cleansing your face with face toner, you apply the serum. Yes, so serum comes after you wash your face, after you cleanse your face. That is when you apply serum. Yes, apply your serum. Then when you're done applying your serum, if you have face cream, you apply. So that is how to use face serum. That is how to use this particular face serum that I have listed here in this video. So that is it. So guys, let me know in the comment section which one you have used, which one are you currently using now, and which one has worked for you, which one is working for you currently now in the comment section. Comment in the comment section. Yes. See you guys in my next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification button for you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are the best. See you guys in my next video. Bye.